Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Sips By. If you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a customizable monthly tea subscription box. Every package comes with 4 different teas based on an initial style survey you fill out when you subscribe to Sips By. Every month you'll get your teas, and then you'll go on their website and you'll kind of further refine. You'll tell them what you like, what you didn't like, all that good stuff. Boxes are only $15. There are, if you really like a tea and you want to buy more from the retailer, there are coupon codes on their website as well, which is really, really cool. I love these boxes. I feel like the teas are selected just for me. It's super cool. And I will link down below to Sips By with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my review on my blog as well. All right, so made for Ashley, all the ingredients about the teas, information about the teas, the caffeine level, all that good stuff is on this card. We're going to look at that at the end. Before we get in here, I'm going to tell you guys what I like. I like a mixture of caffeinated and herbal teas so that I can drink some in the morning, can drink some at night, all that good stuff. I also like floral teas. That's really all. I mean, I like to try all sorts of things. I like to try things, but floral is my jam. This is who I am. All right, every box comes with some disposable tea bags because you do get loose leaf tea in your Sips By boxes. So that's something to keep in mind as well. All right. Ooh, Tea Fiori. This is a brand that changed their packaging. They used to have like a clear package you could see right into the tea. They've changed it. There's more of a floral thing here. This is the Amalfi Lavender Limoncello. This green tea blend will transport you to the sun-dappled Amalfi coast where guests are welcomed with a taste of limoncello. Bright, which by the way, if you've ever had limoncello, my mother-in-law went and toured Europe and brought back some limoncello. And it was strong. It had a Windexy flavor, I think, is what I would say. Anyway, bright citrus notes pair harmoniously with aromatic lavender for a tea that tastes like a beach vacation. In here you have green tea, apples, sweet blackberry leaves, beetroot, lavender, lemongrass, silver lime flowers. This actually sounds really good. Natural flavoring, lemon peel, marigold flowers, and it does contain caffeine. This is a great midday tea because it is a green tea. So it's not like super caffeinated where you'd want to have it in the morning, but it's not herbal where you'd want to have it in the evening. So it's a 2 o'clock feeling kind of tea. All right, we're going to keep going. Next up, I see some stash. I know there's usually 4. If they're bag teas, that is a loose leaf, by the way, the Tea Fiori. There's usually 4. So this is the stash. What is it? Golden Turmeric Chai. This is caffeine free. So this is an herbal tea. And in these, Stash makes really good teas. I just like their tea. This has cinnamon, ginger root, turmeric, orange peel, cardamom seed, and clove. So there are 4 of those. Then we have, this is Tulsi, another one of my brands I love. Oh, no, it's not. It's Organic India. Oops. This is their Tulsi Breakfast. So anyway, all right. So you know what I'm saying. All right, this is stress relieving and awakening. It does contain caffeine. In here, I guess it's just Tulsi tea. There's nothing else. All right. Organic India empowers small family farmers to cultivate regenerative organic farmland, bringing healthy, conscious living to the world 1 cup at a time. So there are 4 bags of this included. All right, on to our final tea. This is Tiny Bee Tea, which is super cute. I love the package. Isn't that adorable? This is their Elderflower Grapefruit Nectar. About this tea, tiny bees aren't ordinary bees. Fairies sprinkle 1 part royal jelly and 1 part magic dust over us when we're born. This makes us tiny and fluffy. With a taste for the finest nectars found in nature, we're especially fond of the Camellia sinensis plant, as well as aromatic herbs and succulent fruits from tiny orchards, brambles, and farms around the world. We hope you love this elderflower and grapefruit blend we pollinated with our tiny bee powers. In here you have apple, rose hip seed, roasted chicory root, citric acid, elderflowers, grapefruit peel, marigold petals, and flavoring. This is also an herbal tea, and it is loose leaf. All right, so we're going to get to those are our 4 teas. We're going to get to our list here. The Tulsi Breakfast has organic Krishna Tulsi, organic Rama Tulsi, organic Vana Tulsi, organic black tea. Has medium caffeine because it does have black tea that's highly caffeinated. That's something you're going to want to drink in the morning. Even though it says medium, I go morning for it. Elderflower Grapefruit Nectar is we went over the ingredients for that. That is caffeine free. Both of those have coupon codes on the Sips By page. The Amalfi Lavender Limoncello contains caffeine because we said that is a green tea. There's also an offer up for that one on the subscribe page. The golden turmeric from Stash is caffeine free, and we went over the ingredients for that, and there is also a coupon for that on the subscribe page. So those are all the teas that I received for May. If you're interested in checking out subscribe, do that down below, and also check out my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.